So hi guys, happy Holy Week. Enjoying our Holy Week getaway with our friends and family. So talagsara maning holiday ha. Kaligo itag dagat. So honas ni siya.
What's up guys? Welcome to my vlog.
What's up?
We are here in Kiang
Beach. How are you, beach?
Safari Beach.
Bye beach.